In this video, I will demonstrate how to install our IsoTruss PIM Armor panels. The most important thing when you're installing these PIM Armor panels is that you make sure that the surface areas of both the antenna and the IsoTruss panels are very clean. You need an alcohol solution to clean the surface areas of the panels as well as the back of the antenna. You ensure that you use a very clean cloth that does not leave any residue. And once you've used the alcohol, you wiped it down, wipe that one down, you dry them up, you're now ready to essentially install our PIM Armor panels. This is a custom cut PIM Armor panel, but you can also cut our 2x2s or 4x2s on site using common tools. What you need next is a VHB tape or an adhesive tape, peel and stick, industrial grade, and you can get these from your regular Home Depot, and then you can apply as much as you want on the surface area of the PIM panels. So you apply sufficient amount, it's up to you, but we recommend that you put them on the side of the panels as well as in the middle to ensure that you have firm grip or attachment, that they're actually very sticky. And now, after you have attached the tape, you can now easily install. You just slide the panels behind, and from that point on, you'll have some space. And what you can do now is that you can adjust it a little bit, take them out a little bit, and then remove the peel, the plastic peel on the adhesives. And then after you remove them, you apply pressure so that the panels attach very closely or firmly to the antenna. We also recommend using a Deltek strap. If you're a general contractor, you always use Deltek strap to make sure that the panels or whatever you're installing is safely secure to the antenna. And that's basically it. It's very easy to install, like I mentioned in our other videos. And you can now leave them on the antenna for the remainder of the life of the antenna. If you have any other questions about the installation process, you can call us or visit our website. Thank you.